Okay guys, welcome back to another League video, except this time, I'll actually be posting this, you know, and not archiving it to the back of my hard drive like every other video I've ever created, you know. Shut up, Davey, you're even worse.
What's up, guys? It's your boy! I'm joking.
Thank you, Nelson.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Davey, where are you?
I'm updating, I told you, you fool.
Oh my gosh. Why are you so toxic? Don't scoff at me. I'll scoff back. Bitch. Hey, look who joined!
Oh, it's Speedy.
Wow, for the first time in forever. Holy crap.
Look at all those chickens.
For the first time in
forever. Always had to be.
Oh my god.
Let them in, let them know.
God.
But now they
know. Let it go.
Bro, call the
John
police.
No one. Oh, rip his Yasuo.
Funny joke.
Shut up, Davey, before I rip your ass.
FBI, open up!
That's your cousin, you fucking.
Oh no! Abort!
Yeah, so cut that incest part out, yeah? I mean, put it in.
Yeah,
What?
I
What?
thought-
Whoa, what?
Whoa!
No, I meant put the clip in.
No, fuck your clip.
Dang.
Fuck your clip.
Whoa.
Whoa!
What's this about? Demonetized.
I never got paid in the first place. Bro, when I get this new PC up and running, I swear,
Oh, okay. You swear what? You swear what, huh?
I'm gonna run laps around your laptop or your computer or whatever toaster LG smart fridge you have. Hey guys, welcome back to Bethesda Games. This year in 2019, we're gonna port Skyrim to all LG smart fridges.
Ding dong.
You're a haiku.
Stop! Oh my god.
Shut up, you Hawaiian.
You Hawaiian.
I'm not even Hawaiian, you Hawaiian.
I'm not Hawaiian.
Stop lying, you Hawaiian.
No,
Hey,
you.
yo, fireman,
Chill.
Honestly, you're like deadass such like a lion flying Hawaiian.
Let's go,
Oh, yeah?
let's go.
You're Mexican.
Oh!
Whoa, you can't say that! You can't say that, that's not PC! That's not PC!
Surprise, motherfucker! Oh!
Oh my god!
What the fuck? Man, oh, fuck up. 8 seconds, yo. Now we get it.
Now we get it. Look at this Morgana. It's Morgana. Morganer.
Fuck that bitch.
Now for Davey. Huh? For Davey. For Davey.
Give us 1 minion, it's fine.
Oh no, 1 minion. Oh god, what am I going to do? Oh, get clapped back, you freaking cock. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Except this time we're about to win.
Kill her.
I'm trying.
Sasha? Oh my god. Sasha.
Nelson, I'm literally gonna deflate your souffle, okay? And you will not have any more kids. I swear to God.
What?
Nelson! Nelson, stop dying! Oh my God! Stop dying! What the heck is this? What? Nelson, stop dying!
Planned as fuck.
No, you actually are ass, bro. You're like a whole ass tit.
Oh my god, Sasha, man, you're so fucking bad.
Yeah, shut up, bro. Literally,
I just fed you
lick
18
my shrimp dick, okay?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Ah, context! Please! Ah!
What the fuck? Oh, it's a Renekton top. Holy shit.
Yeah.
What a big counter.
You know what else is a big counter? Nelson in my lane.
Hey!
Are we going in? Or what's happening?
He still has doubles.
Yes, Ultra!
Woo!
Yo, wanna fuck her up? I call this the fucking black shield blade. Ready? I call it the.
BFF.
Boom! Off. We're gonna work. Good.
Damn it, Nelson. Why didn't it work?
I don't know.
Make it work!
I'm sorry.
Make it happen!
What are you, Mexican?
That's what I said.
My guy's missing.
So is my father.
Oh,
Hello, I'm coming.
nice.
Get back here, boy!
Hello, I'm coming.
Oh wait, we actually won this game. Wait, we can win this game. He's so bad. What the fuck?
Wow. Oh, you're dead. Oh my god! Oh my god! I survived the ignite! Yo. Yeah, I know. Bro, I one-shotted the oh my god. Rest in pieces.
I can predict this. Wait.
Shit. No! Uh-oh. Bad positioning.
ADC.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm crazy! Oh, you're dead. Hey guys, what's up? You're dead.
Be back.
Living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time.